Hey guys, and welcome back to Kyro's workshop. We're almost done with the Deadly Sin series, and as you saw on the thumbnail, today we're making Envy. She, along with Lust, is the only two human-looking demons. For the concept of Envy, I imagine a beautiful succubus that wants to be the only pretty being alive, so she seduces women, and later, I don't want to get graphic, but she literally wears them. For this project, I'm using Nefera DeNile, and I'm really excited because this video is actually a collab with my very talented friend Anna. I told her what my idea was, and she actually created the makeup look for this demon. The link to her Instagram is listed down on the description box. So now I'm starting her face with pastels. To carve the brows, I'll use an eraser. According to Anna's makeup, she will have a dark smoky eye, yellow/golden eyes, and popsicle lips. To highlight the center of the smoky eye, I'll use pure white pastel in layers. I'll finish her face with a few more layers off camera. I really want to maintain Anna's idea for the dramatic cat eye, so I cut 2 pieces of sharp plastic to make the wing 3D, and to glue them I'm using gel polish. Once they're positioned, I'll cure them with UV light for a few seconds. And later I'll paint them with black acrylic. For the dress, as it's going to be literally skin, I'll make it, well, skin tight. I covered the body with tape and marked roughly all the cuts. I painted some faux leather, a pale skin tone, and pasted all the dress pieces. This part is very important. I need to remember very well the order. And I'll start sewing them with very rough stitches. I'll paint her scalp with grey paint. As the dress was looking very basic, I created off camera this harness using the same faux leather. Added 2 snaps on the chest, and made this hair cape using fake hair curtains, which is meant to be from the hair of her victims. To finish everything, I'm going to give her a buzz cut. So first, I'm applying glue to all of her head and cover it with platinum blonde flock. I'm pretty happy with the final look, and that hair cape makes her look very mysterious. The only scene left is Greed, and I want her to look like the queen of them all. Let me know what you think about Envy. As always, remember to like, share, and become a workshopper by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Kyro out!